What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Alwaysnboost GT500 coming up with you with another update video on Brian's build, or going to be built GTR / VTR. Of course, I'm here at Vinny Ten Racing, the man himself, Vinny in the back. We got Preston from Alwaysnboost, member, came for the ride, and the rest of the Vinny Ten team. We're working on Brian's car, as you can see. The motor's out. Want to give you an update, and I'll let Vinny take it from here on the next steps we'll be going to be doing. Oh man.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All my guys over at Alwaysnboost. This is Vinny Ten from Vinny Ten Racing. We're here with Yarrick building and taking apart and disassembling Brian's car. So Brian's motor's already out, tranny's out. That's going to my good friend John Shep Transmissions. I mean, he's just the only guy I trust with my stuff. I know him for a really long time. We used to race together. He's a great guy, and just been doing business with him. And you know, you're always in good shape when you're dealing with John, that's for sure. The motor is out of the car, but the kind of cool thing is that we already have a short block assembled. So we already have another short block that was assembled. That was actually purchased used from another customer of mine who wanted to go a different direction on his deal. So we were able to freshen that one up and, you know, resize the rods and line hone it. And obviously, you know, you can't fucking do anything with the cylinders because they're, you know, but the motor was in such great shape. Basically, I did a plateau home, put a new set of rings in it, mic'd the pistons, mic'd the rods, resized the rods like I said, put new bolts in them, and he's got a brand new fresh bottom end, so he's good to go. We're gonna CNC. He's gonna be running my first CNC GTR heads along with mine. Yes. You guys know that I'm also building a GTR for my pro car, so those two heads are gonna go to the CNC guys. Basically.
Always when we try to shoot something, it's part of being in the shop.
Hold on, let me see if I can do something with that. I'm trying to come over here instead of having that thing playing.
Come over here. We got Brian.
You know, I disrespect that thing, right? I would, except for that is the first thing I ever bought in my shop, and that thing is stamped. You know, when you buy those, they have to be stamped because it's a container, and that literally has the stamp date of '92 on it. Wow. So and it's still been running. And you know why? You know why? You know why? Because that shit's made in America. That's right there. It's not some offshore shit. You guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah. It ain't the Japanese products, that's for sure. Yeah. So anyway, so what I was saying was, I had hand ported a set of GTR heads, and I really like the way they came out. They're definitely a little different than what I've seen everybody else do. That's fine, maybe bad, maybe good, but it's the stuff that I run. I always run my own stuff. So actually, I'm gonna have that head digitized, and then I'm gonna have Brian's head, you know, CNC with that new digitized thing. So for his head, and he'll get the 1mm oversized valve. You know, we're looking for what, like 1,200 out of Brian's car, like 1,200. When I build a 1,200 horsepower car, I'm going to put everything in it for a 1,400 horsepower car. That's basically how I'm going to do it, because people are really fucking abusive. So, you know, any insurance that you can give them to make it a little better, we do. So that's it. We got Yarrick pulling the car apart. We're pretty happy with everything so far. I mean, the Alwaysnboost guys, you know, we've been building stuff with them for a long time. We love the guys. We got Preston here. We're gonna have a good time, man. So for the Alwaysnboost guys, for the VTR guys, for the street racing guys, and for the track guys. Well, hopefully we're gonna knock you out.
Yeah, that's where we at, man. So that's the update we have on Brian's car. So like Vinny said, here's his trans. We'll be shipping it out to John Shep to get this built. I think we're gonna go stage 3 with the track pack, you know. And we'll show you another vision of the stock motor that's out the car. Right here. So this is it. This is it. My man is working on it right now. This is it. So this is where it starts. The heart is out, and get ready to put the new one in. Alright, up here. So this is the next stage. So I told you guys we were trying to give you as much updates as possible. Here we are now. The motor's out. Like Vinny said, the block is already done. That's built. We're gonna get these heads off. That's on the motor right now. Get the CC up, and the next video, hopefully either the motor will be in the car or get ready to go into the car. So again, check back. Thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll catch you with another one. Peace.